In 1997, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, detected a mysterious low-frequency sound, nicknamed the Bloop, which was louder than any known earthly sound. The sound was described as a low rumble, similar to thunder, but unlike anything that could be explained by natural phenomena. Scientists were baffled by its origin, with some speculating it could be from an iceberg calving event or even an unknown species of whale. Despite extensive research, the source of the bloop remains a mystery, sparking ongoing scientific investigation and debate.